This is Papa of PaPa's page. Today our cast iron Wednesday is going to be a tuna melt. Today we're using sourdough bread, honey mustard, mayonnaise, dill pickles, red onions, mixed cheese, and tuna fish. I've mixed the tuna up, toasted the bread a little bit, and now I'm going to put a little butter on my griddle. I'm going to put the bottom piece of bread down. Put some cheese on it. Put some tuna on it. Put some more cheese on it. Put the top piece of bread on it. And squish it to brown the bottom. And turn it over. I think it's about done. Turn it over again. Check it. Looks pretty good. We'll put it on a paper towel and we'll find our taste tester. I found a taste tester. I think she's about ready.
Good.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.